So the camshaft locking tools are still fitted. The timing cover's been dummied up with just a few bolts holding it on. Hydraulic tension has been fitted. It is loose, but it is applying tension to the chain guide. So, in theory, I should be able to take this Torx bit key that I've fashioned into a special tool and put it through this hole here in the harmonic balancer, and it will line up with the keyway in the timing cover. So now what we'll do is we'll take the camshaft locking tools off, take this special tool out of the harmonic balancer, and we'll turn the motor over by hand and see if I've fucked anything up inside. So I've taken the camshaft locking tools out. I'll put a little mark there, letting you know that that is top dead center. If you are a mechanic and you do a timing job like this, and you don't turn it over by hand before flicking the key, you're a fucking idiot. Luckily that noise in the background was not from the inside of this engine. Going for 2 revolutions on the crank. And making sure that the engine doesn't bind up while I'm turning it by hand. So, arrows pointing straight up. Arrows pointing straight up, so in theory we should be able to fit those camshaft locking tools on easily. That is in fact sexy. So that small amount there, I believe, will be taken up when I tighten the hydraulic tensioner. So I've done about 15 or 20 revolutions now by hand, and as you can see, it is supplying engine oil to the lifters, camshafts, cam phasers on both cylinder heads. More importantly, the one that I took off.